So good morning. Today is the 11th of October, Wednesday, in CSC 443. What we're going to do today is review the student learning objective for the 2.1 assignment, staging local DNS. It's worth 2 points. It will be due by the time we start our class on Friday. And on Friday, we'll review our solution for this module. By Friday, we'll also have a draft of the study guide and remaining student learning objectives posted in Blackboard. Good morning, Shanoa.
Good morning.
So essentially, the student learning objective for assignment 2.1 reads, deploy local DNS to augment the native ability to assess client-side artifacts and the network environment in general. Are there any questions about that student learning objective? That's what we're doing today. Now, notice there are 2 points. How many criteria are there? It's not a trick question. Someone. Yeah, okay. Thank you. I was going to say someone, anyone. All right, thank you. There's 2 criteria. You want to capture proof that a local DNS is deployed and operational on your network. Now, when we say local DNS, we mean a dedicated cloud DNS or a Raspberry Pi, okay? So what you're going to do is show that, that you have some hosts on the network, that this thing is working, right? So you're going to show a screen from the Raspberry Pi or a screen from the DNS that you access remotely. And then if it's deployed and operational on your network, that means at least one host has that DNS IP address. So actually there will be several artifacts that I need you to submit for each criteria. You're going to show the Raspberry Pi in operation or remote access to the DNS server that's in the cloud. Everybody got that?
Yep.
Okay. In fact, what we'll do is we'll do this. Okay. Okay. Second thing, you're going to show me the network config of at least one host using the IP address of the DNS. Okay. All right. That's part 1. That's the first criteria. Any questions about the first criteria? Okay, demonstrate active use by selected hosts and capture related DNS. So browse to a novel using the host so configured. So when I say so configured, I mean the one or more local hosts using the IP address of the DNS in the network configuration, okay? So using the host so configured, browse to a novel website to demonstrate function, okay? We want to know that the device is able to use that DNS. So even though it's configured, we want to show that it's actively using it. You're going to browse to a novel website to demonstrate the function. And then you're going to view said novel website in DNS cache or in Pi-hole logs. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? Hello? Can you
Yes.
think of a novel website, and it can't be Discord?
There goes my answer.
Yeah, it cannot be Discord, okay? So does not include Facebook, Discord, etc. Okay. So it needs to be something peculiar, but functional. Okay. Something that's going to stand out. So you want to show that host navigating to that novel website, and then it'll stick out like a sore thumb in the Pi-hole logs / reports or in the DNS cache. Okay. Any questions about what we're doing today? So if you have your Raspberry Pi and you've started working on it, basically what you can do is get started with this. And what we're going to do for the balance of the class period is you're going to start working on your side of this to accomplish things. I'm going to stop the recording and the class session formally, but what I'm going to do is work with those who decided to use the hosted DNS, okay? Who am I speaking about? Come on, I need you to talk out. Say the names of your DNS servers, please.
Sissel.
Sissel, yes.
Pegasus?
Pegasus is correct.
Virgo.
Virgo is correct. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and actually, we can start with Virgo. You're on .99. So Virgo is already operational. So what I'd like you to do is let's ping Virgo and make sure it's running. Virgo is already operational. It's sitting on .99. So what we can do, well, no. Actually, I'll take that back. There is another Virgo. It's in a different work group. And the .99 is being used for general demo purposes for the CSC220 class and the CSC443 class. And I think maybe it makes sense to leave that one alone and separate. Let's look at the designated IP addresses for yours. You're going to use, so the new Virgo we're going to create, Chimera, is 114 instead of 99, okay? And it'll be a brand new system. And I'm going to change this to Orion. And Pegasus will also be on Orion. Will allow Sissel to run on Ghost Tricks. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to stop sharing, stop recording. And I'm going to edit this video just so we clip out the last part of this stuff, because I don't want that out on YouTube, but we'll publish the YouTube video otherwise. What we'll do now is go remote to the host and finish the build for Virgo, Pegasus, and Sissel. And I hope we're going to do it so fast that You'll be amazed. Or, we'll see. Any questions, concerns, observations before we get started?